Welcome back to Autoscope. Significant improvements have been made to the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, especially in terms of improved electronics and interior design. It strikes a mix between practicality and efficiency as a small SUV built on the TNGC platform. Exterior. In 2026, Toyota intends to use a more noticeable front to distinguish between gasoline and hybrid models. Similar to Toyota's most recent design language, the hybrid model boasts a seamless grille design that flawlessly complements the body, giving it a sleek and futuristic appearance. The gasoline version looks more substantial and long-lasting with its black bezels and more noticeable honeycomb grille. Now, thinner LED daytime running lights have been added to all variants. For the premium variant, brand new 18-inch alloy wheels with gloss black or dark gray metallic finishes are offered. With a length of about 4,460 mm and a ground clearance of 8.1 inches, about 205 mm, it maintains realistic dimensions that make it perfect for urban travel. To increase driving stability, the rear lights now include small aerodynamic fins. Interior, better materials and a more practical design have been added to the interior. Multimedia display. The top model has a brand new 10.5-inch touchscreen with the most recent Toyota Audio multimedia system, compatible with Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. The instrument panel's fully digital 12.3-inch or 7-inch on the mid-range trim display may be customized. In addition to extra storage space in the wireless charging area, the center console also features a revised gear lever with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. Heated front seats and a heated steering wheel are features of the cold weather package, which is now standard on select models. With a 60/40 split folding arrangement and roughly 24 cubic feet behind the second row seats, cargo space is still competitive. The gasoline engine, which has a 2.0 all-4-cylinder dynamic force engine and a direct shift CVT transmission, generates about 169 horsepower and 151 pounds-ft of torque. Utilizing Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system, the hybrid engine generates a total of 196 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard on this system. The McPherson strut front suspension and multi-link rear suspension, which are adjusted for comfortable driving in cities but stable driving on toll highways, make the hybrid model one of the most fuel-efficient in its class. With an estimated combined fuel consumption of about 42 mpg, 9 airbags, including curtain and driver's knee airbags, are included in the cabin for optimal safety. It is able to identify motorcyclists, cyclists, and pedestrians.